Okay, so today I'm going to be looking at the ADATA, the durable, as they say, they claim, the enclosure. It's a 2.5, so it'll basically just be for the laptop, or that size anyway. Yeah, so there's all the different configurations, I suppose, and then the usual backring. Well, without further ado, let's open it up. Alright, got it open. Cord. It looks quite mean, I must admit. So just trying to work out where the cable's going to go. But that's it there. And then this is quite a tough feel of the cord. Alright, so basically you open it like this. And when you open it, you get obviously all the safety gadgets where to go. But basically the hard drive will be in here. And then when you close it, your cords will go in there. Wow, this is very impressive, I must admit. So this is basically the ADATA durable.